Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earphone in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to pair your Bluetooth earphone in your Samsung phone, so how can you pair? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So and first of all guys we will have to on guys our phone setting to pair guys Bluetooth earphones. Then guys scroll friends, you can see guys your phone connection setting guys, tap here guys, click on your phone Bluetooth setting. Friends, your phone Bluetooth is disabled, so when you will have to enable and guys turn on your earphones with refresh. As you can see earphone name guys, click on your earphone name, then as you can see pairing, and as you can see this pair with earphone CL20 guys, pair notification guys, tap here the right side, it will pair in your phone and guys you can use. And once you want to check guys your earphone battery percent, you can check guys I have 80%. So as now guys I can use guys earphone Bluetooth earphone while operating any app, listening song, music like that guys I can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going please go and like that video, subscribe the channel. Bye my friends.